Hello there, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist at the Tech Travel Geeks. And today we're going to unbox and provide you with some first impressions of the Xiaomi Piston USB Type-C earphones. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. Right then, quite a while ago I ordered a pair of Huawei earphones, which were great. They're wired earphones for smartphones that use USB Type-C. And more recently I ordered these Xiaomi Piston ones. They caught my attention because, according to the AliExpress seller that sells them, they also have a digital decoding chip. This means that these are wired earphones that work with devices that output digitally to USB Type-C. So the chip is in the earphones. And I was surprised by the price. They're surprisingly affordable at less than £10. So I ordered these on AliExpress. Let's see what's inside the box and how they work. Now, as with much packaging for these things, there's a little tape circle there that keeps it all sealed. I'm going to open up the lid at the top. It's not the easiest earphones to get into. And inside we have what we expect. So there's a user manual, which is just a simple leaflet. It should be fairly straightforward to understand, but sadly I don't speak or read Chinese. But I'm assuming that this is pretty basic. Yeah, it's all Chinese. Oh wait, no, there is a bit of English here. So in one section there's a product overview showing you where the microphone is, where the input is, and so forth. So the earphones are here, and you see that we have two earbuds with soft touch silicone buds for sealing your ears and different sized buds for here. And the earphones themselves have a little bit of plastic holding them together. You can take that off, and there's a little Xiaomi Mi label on the earphones. And you can see the end is not a typical courage port jack. This is in fact a USB Type-C cable. So what I'm going to do is test these with a few smartphones that use USB Type-C. So I'm going to use the OnePlus Nord, which doesn't have a courage port, and the Google Pixel 4 XL, which doesn't have a courage port. I'm deliberately not going to test these on an iPhone because I know that the iPhone doesn't have, you guessed it, USB Type-C. It's still using Lightning, so I'm going to make do with these two Android devices. If I'm not sure about something, I'll double test on the Huawei P40. So what I'll do is plug these in, play some music, podcasts, audiobooks, and then give you some idea of what the quality is like and if they work with the devices. So we'll be back in a moment. Speak to you soon. Okay then, and I'm back. So I put the Xiaomi Piston earphones through their paces with three different devices that have USB Type-C. And only USB Type-C. So I used them on the OnePlus Nord that we previously unboxed and have been working on the review of for the last few weeks. I used it with the Xiaomi Mi 8 SE, so another Xiaomi device, and they worked great there as well. And I used them with the Google Pixel 4 XL. And with all three devices, they worked really well. So no issues in terms of connectivity. There's obviously a decent DAC or DAC chip inside the USB Type-C connector. And the sound comes through the Piston headphones quite well. Now it is quite bass heavy. So if you're looking for bassy music, bassy noise, these are the buds that will be very appreciated by you. That takes away from some of the more accurate noise that you get from, say, people's voices. So sometimes in podcasts or audiobooks, that may take away from someone's voice, and sometimes you may miss out on some of the tone. But apart from that, especially for video and music, they worked great. In terms of video, I watched a couple of half as interesting videos. I also made sure I was watching a longer video there seemed to be no lag between what was on screen and what I was hearing, so that's a really good sign for a pair of digital earphones. Sometimes the lower quality ones, you might notice a minor lag between what you're seeing and what you're hearing. That's definitely not the case with these Xiaomi Piston earphones. So thumbs up from the Tech Travel Geeks on the Xiaomi Piston earphones. We'll pop a link in the description to where you can purchase these. And thank you for watching. And if you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube.